just on site doing some block and beam on one of our sites. We're just getting all the beams in place. Got most of them in place now. Around there, started blocking that one. And what we do is we stick one at each end so we get them spaced out. And then on the end here, we just sit them on these brick slips. These will be bedded on. And then that takes this end block on here. That'll go all the way down there. And then we have a telescopic air brick that allows ventilation all the way under the floor. And you can see it's quite quick. We sort of started this today. We just started blocking on these bits. So the good thing is about this, once it's down, we can start walking around on it, start getting it loaded out for the bricklayers. And it's pretty quick. We're just going to put these beams across here. We're just sorting out some drainage. And it's quite good because you don't get no cracking in the floor. At the minute we're just sorting out the drainage down here. It's going to come all the way down there. We'll get that bedded on. It's going to go all the way down there to Rod and I. It's going to be the kitchen. And then we've got two pipes that will come down here, which will go to the upstairs ensuite and bathroom and the downstairs toilet. These are the garage beams. These are a bit thicker. You see on the ends there, these are a bit thicker. Normally they're 9 inches high, but these are only 6 inches high. They made them a bit wider. And they're pretty heavy. There's my son showing his big muscles off. A wheelbarrow full of blocks. This is about 2 days work, so not too long. Pretty quick to get the floor all in. For us, we haven't got to dig out as much mud. We haven't got to bring in as much hardcore for the floors. We haven't got to put concrete all the floor either. So it saves us, quite a bit of time. On cost wise, it's probably around about 20% cheaper than a normal floor, which might not sound a lot, but once you start doing 5-10 properties, it adds up. So the block of beams on here around about 3.5 grand all in, but time saving, just a couple of days just to get all the floor in. And like I say, we can then get the splash course on and the bricklayers can get cracking. Got any questions? Put them in the comments below.